Good morning. Today we will start a new chapter, electric current and its effects. Electric current has got three effects, namely heating effect of electric current, magnetic effect of electric current and chemical effect of electric current. In 7th class you will study about heating effect of electric current and magnetic effect of electric current. Chemical effect of electric current will be given in class 8th. Now let's get started. With the help of some symbols we will know different electric component. You can see here different electric components are cell, bulb, switch in on position, in off position, battery and wire. You can see this is the conducting wire which conducts the electricity. Battery is shown like this. If you know how to draw the symbol for cell, you can easily understand how to draw the symbol for battery. Cell is drawn with the help of this symbol, where this longer line is positive terminal and shorter and dark line is the negative terminal. So this is the symbol for cell, and for battery it's longer, shorter, longer, shorter. It all depends on how many cells you are connecting, and this is how it has to be done. Never forget to connect two cells together with this kind of dotted line. So this is switch in off position and this is switch in on position. When the switch is in on position, the current flows through the circuit and the bulb or any electrical device work. Whereas when the switch is in off position, then current does not flow through, or the electric appliance or the bulb which is fitted in that circuit does not glow. So this is all about the symbols of electric components. Now in figure 14.7 you can see the electric circuit. This is an electric circuit where we have got different components. This is the cell. In place of cell, for providing more energy or electrical supply, you can use the battery also. This is bulb which is glowing because the switch is in on position. Switch is on, the current flows in the form of electrons. These conducting wires, they have the easy flow of electrons through them, so they are conductors. So this conducting wire allows electricity to flow in the form of electrons and the bulb glows. You can see same circuit, electric circuit, can be shown with the help of symbols. Here you can see in place of bulb we have used the symbol, in place of cell we have used the symbol, and for switch also we have used the symbol. This is called circuit diagram. So for drawing circuit diagram you have to use symbol to make it more easier. You can see this is open circuit or closed circuit. So this is open circuit. How I came to the conclusion? With the help of this switch. Switch is in off position and the bulb is not glowing. Here the bulb is glowing. When the bulb is glowing, you have to draw sign like this. So this is how electric diagrams are drawn with the help of electric symbols. So as we know, this chapter is all about the effects of the electric current, and I told you there are three effects of electric current: heating effect of electric current, magnetic effect of electric current and chemical effect of electric current. So we will first start with the heating effect of electric current. So how we can see the heating effect of electric current? So this is a good example. This is the example of heating effect of electric current, and this is also the example of heating effect of electric current. According to heating effect of electric current, whenever the electric current flows through some conducting wire or conducting material, it produces the heating effect. It produces the heat. Simple example, when you touch any bulb, so you can feel the warmth of the bulb. That is because of the heat produced by the bulb. So that is the heating effect of electric current. Same way here also, this coil which is present in the heater, it is also made up of the element that is called nichrome, and it produces the heat and light also. So this is called heating effect of electric current. Press also, so many appliances are there in our house like immersion rods, heater, hot plates, iron geysers, kettles, hair dryers, all these are the example of the appliances which produce heating effect. So this is called heating effect of electric current. Now we know that whenever the electricity flows through the circuit, it produces heating effect of electric current, or it produces heat. Sometime once, like if it is used in place of your in case of your appliances, that heat is good for us, because with the help of this heat we can iron our clothes. With the help of this heat we can take the warmth of the heater. So this is like heat is produced for a better use. But in case sometimes, if like in case of bulb, light is produced, but at the same time if it produces heat, that get wasted. So nowadays we have got CFLs, compact fluorescent lamp. So CFLs are used nowadays, so that this heat energy which get wasted in our traditional bulbs, now it is no longer like that. So CFL, use of CFL is better, or LEDs are also used, LED bulbs are also used, LED and CFLs are used just to avoid the wastage of heat energy from the bulb. So this is the thing. In place of in place of normal traditional bulbs, we can use our tube lights, we can use CFLs and LEDs, because what is there as advantage of all in these all, that there is no wastage of heat. Heat is not produced, only light is produced. Okay, now what is this filament made up of? This filament is made up of tungsten, and the symbol for tungsten is W. So this is the symbol for tungsten, and filament is made up of the metal called tungsten. Okay, and the heating element which is present here in case of iron, geyser, which produces heating effect, so their heating element is made up of nichrome. Okay, so here you get 2 mark question. Name the heating element, name the element which with the help of which we produce the heating element, or which is found in iron or the heaters. So nichrome is the element. Basically it's an alloy which is made up of nickel and chromium. Okay, so this is alloy basically which is made up of nickel and chromium. So heating elements are made up of alloy called nichrome, and the filament of the bulb is made up of metal called tungsten, whose symbol is W. Okay, so this is what we have learned. Now we know that heating effect of electric current is there whenever the electricity flows through any circuit. So heat is generated. Sometimes that heat is useful if it is produced in heaters and geysers, press. Sometimes it is not so useful if it is produced by the bulb. So but now we will study about the another safety device. This is safety device which is called electric fuse. So electric fuse is a safety device. These are the traditional electric fuse. This is also traditional electric fuse, and nowadays modern electric fuse is MCB. So now we will study about electric fuse. So electric fuse is basically a safety device where you can see it is used to break the circuit, basically just as a switch. We use switch to break and to make the circuit, but here electric fuse is also a safety device. For example, in between any circuit this electric fuse is fitted, and sometime if the electric supply or the voltage of electricity exceeds or it goes more and it becomes very dangerous, so it melts. So this electric fuse is having this wire whose melting point is very low, and if the electric supply goes higher, so this wire gets melted, and because of this the appliance doesn't work, and it reduces the chances of electric fires or short circuits. So this is how it works. So now this is ceramic electric fuse. this is glass electric fuse. These all are traditional electric fuse, but nowadays we have got modern electric fuse, because initially these electric fuse, they are like use and throw. You have to use them and again you have to change the wire once it has melted. But now this electric fuse, which is MCB, miniature circuit breaker, this is a modern electric fuse which you can use many a times, because whenever there is voltage which goes higher or which exceeds to a limit, it goes off, or it turns off automatically, it trips down automatically, and later on when things get better, you can switch it again on. So this is how MCB works. So this is modern way. Now we have all studied about the heating effect of electric current, and in next class we will study about the magnetic effect of electric current, and which was given by Hans Christian Ørsted. Thank you very much. Revise well.